Meet the APEX 6500, built bigger to deliver more powerful cooling where it matters most, delivering up to 30 degrees cooler air. Engineered to cool up to 6,500 square feet with 22,000 cubic feet per minute of high-velocity airflow that reaches up to 40 feet. It stays impressively quiet at just 68 decibels, so powerful cooling never overpowers the space. And with 24-mile-per-hour air velocity, the APEX 6500 is built to push cooling across the largest environments. Portacool's proprietary media design enhances water absorption and increases the rate of evaporation, improving airflow and velocity for more efficient cooling performance. With CoolSync technology, control your unit with Wi-Fi from anywhere, adjust fan speed, set schedules, monitor water levels, and even manage multiple coolers right from your phone. Smart water management keeps operations smooth with digital water level indicators and performance alerts. A 66-gallon reservoir plus fast refills through the hatch or a continuous hose connection keeps you running longer. Built to move and built to last. With built-in handles, durable wheels, lightweight housing, and an industry-leading warranty, including a lifetime warranty on the rotational molded housing. From distribution centers and manufacturing floors to construction sites and large outdoor environments, the APEX 6500 delivers serious cooling wherever you need it.